Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Taurus. It's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? So let's see what are the messages for you, Taurus. Under the deck, Knight of Cups with Two of Wands. So someone is coming towards you to offer this cup of love to you, but this person is very slow moving energy and this person is very romantic. I think this person is very slow moving energy. This could be your past one or could be new one, depending upon your situation. And you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states for some, and you are thinking about them a lot, and for some you have options also. You have to choose from those. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 7 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords. So you are feeling stuck in recent past, 8 of Swords energy. You want to make some move towards your person, or you want to make some action, but you are unable to make any move because you are feeling stuck. I think your money is looking very good, Taurus. Yes, you have more money, financial stability and 7 of Wands, but you are very defensive. At the same time, you are very defensive and you are feeling stuck. For some, you don't want to give up on this connection if you are in separation or in no contact with your person. Then present, Queen of Cups, 6 of Cups and 5 of Wands. You have strong emotions towards this person. You are very caring and giving person, and you are thinking about them a lot. Yes, and this could be strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, but there is lot of drama going between you and your person. Yes, lot of drama. More than one person may be fighting for your attention. Yeah, for some, this in this relationship I am seeing two person. One could be new, one could be past. Then future, the Moon, Ace of Swords and the Devil. Maybe you are obsessed with them a lot, or they are obsessed with you. And some communication, Ace of Swords energy. There are some disturbances, some disputes still between both of you because the Moon card is here. Illusions between both of you. So there is some clarity is coming to fix these illusions between both of you. Ace of Swords means truth coming out, new beginnings also. Sometimes it is also cut off this person from your life. Maybe they are heavily obsessed with you. Maybe you both are obsessed with each other. It could be anything. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So their feelings. Taurus, their current feelings. Four of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, High Priestess with Four of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Right now, your person may be busy with their finances and careers. That way, maybe they walked away from this connection. Yes, but now they are listening to their intuition, listening to their higher self, because the High Priestess is here. Let's see their intentions also, then we will get more clarity. Chariot is here. Will they take action in near future? Nine of Wands with the World card. I think the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. For some, the cycles are going to be end. For some, new cycles are going to be begin. Yes, some cycles ending and some new cycles are going to be begin. Right now, your person is guarded up. Yes, they want to make action, but it is very, very slow moving, to be honest. Because right now, maybe they are busy with their work. Because Pentacles, maybe they are so busy in their job or career. But maybe for some, you person waiting for right time, divine timing. They're wishing, but not making too much effort. In this relationship in near future. But waiting for divine timing. And they're in very, very slow moving energy. Even though they want to make a move, but it is taking so much time because the Chariot. Again, the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So right now, your person wishing. Yes, they're wishing, but not making any action. Strong action. What I'm saying here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Very, very slow moving. Taurus. Yeah, waiting. This is all waiting. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Yes, the Sun card and the Strength and Two of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot, but not making any move right now. I mean, very strong move, effective action. They're getting their strength. And the Sun, yes, they know you are their happiness. And they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe for some, you person have options. That's why maybe they are taking a time. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot because you also got Two of Wands. A lot of thinking going, waiting period. Taurus. Maybe you both have all options. King of Pentacles with Nine of Wands. I think your money is looking good. I already told you, you are focusing on your career and especially creating more money, making more money. King of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. Yes, I think there is no commitment in this relationship from your person's side. Knight of Wands, they always come and go when they want. So Knights always come and go. There is no commitment. And the Star, still you have hopes on this person. And Knight of Wands, yeah, they're very attracted to you. They want to come back. But you are focusing on your career. And yes, right now this connection is stuck. There is no much movement in this connection, to be honest. Hangman, you both are feeling stuck. You both are thinking about each other a lot. And spiritual awakening. For some, you both have some ego problems also. Yes, because they are not making any move. Why? Then should why? That type of. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Taurus. Right now, for some, your person may be working on themselves. Hold your vision, fixed moon. It's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So if you want to achieve anything but you are not seeing results yet, this is the message for you. Hold your vision. Definitely it will come true. And it's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So Yes, if you have any negativity in you, or you are thinking about someone or something about negatively, especially about this relationship, about your person, don't do that. Release negativity and do meditation and heal yourself completely, because sometimes when you think negatively about your person, it also creates resistance in the relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.